Okay, so welcome back. This is Andrew, aka Beer is Good from Reddit, and just continuing on with some F equals MA problems that you might see on the FE exam. Here is a problem that I got from this textbook, and so we have this block. It's resting on a surface, and we have a force that's on it, and we have a kinetic friction of kinetic friction coefficient of 0.1. So we know that the block is moving, but there's going to be a friction force. And so I've already drawn the free body diagram, and now I'm going to solve this problem for the force, which is what we need to find. So sum of the forces in the x direction is equal to when we have the force cosine of 20, the angle of 20 degrees, if you didn't see that right here, minus the friction force, which is equal to m mass times acceleration. But we know this mass. We know the mass because mass is the weight divided by gravity. So we can say that the mass is equal to 30 over 32.2. And now we have sum of the forces in the y direction, which is equal to, we have the normal force, which is up, the weight force, which is down, so minus weight, minus, and we know weight is 30 pounds. And minus the force downwards, so minus force times sine of 20. And since there's no accelerations in the y direction, it's going to be equal to 0. We know that this friction force is going to be mu k times n, and the velocity is going to be, the acceleration times time equals velocity. So we know acceleration is 20 feet per second over 2 seconds. So 20 over 2 equals 10 feet per second squared. Feet per second squared. Don't know why I get tongue-tied over that. Okay, so let's plug in our unknowns, or our now unknowns, now knowns, into our sum of forces equations. So sum of forces in the x is equal to f cosine of 20 minus 0.1, which is mu k, times n, equals 30 over 32.2 times 10. So 30 over 32.2 times 10, which is equal to 9.317 about. And our sum of the forces in the y direction, we have f sine of 20, negative f sine of 20, plus n equals 30. So we have a system of equations here. I'm going to let's see, if we eliminate the normal force, we can solve for f directly. So let's do that. Let's solve by elimination. So we're going to multiply the bottom times 0.1. So we have cosine of 20, and we're going to subtract, and we're going to add. So we're going to add these equations together while multiplying the bottom equation by 0.1, and we're going to eliminate, solve by elimination. So just solving for, solving for the coefficient for F, for the force, we have cosine of 20 plus negative sine of 20 times 0.1. So 0.9055 F. If we, so negative 0.1 plus 0.1 is equal to 0, and 9.317 plus 30 times 0.1 is equal to 12.317. So the force is equal to 12.317 divided by 0.9055. 12.317 divided by 0.9055. So our force is 13.6 newtons. And that is the answer. So I hope that this video was instructional to you, and I'll see you again pretty soon.